Hello everyone, NB Box Break, doing a box break on 2015 Certified Football. I'm going to go ahead and show you the time and date. It is Sunday, 7/39, 27th. And here are the spots that sold. There was a few spots open. But like I said, whenever the listing ends, that's when I'll do the break. So alright, here we go. We're going to randomize this list 3 times. There's 1. There's 2 and 3. So you got 1 is NA. Sorry, get that to come in a little bit better. There's 1 NA down to 32 John B, and randomize 3 times. So we're going to copy and paste. Sorry, there we go. Copy and paste. And you see NA at 1 down to John B at 32. Alright, and you'll see here Arizona Cardinals to Washington. And we're going to randomize this list 3 times also. 1, 2, and third and final. Oh, sorry guys, hold on. There, Baltimore Ravens at 1 down to the Arizona Cardinals 32, and it's randomized 3 times. So we're going to copy and paste. And there you go, you got your Baltimore Ravens at 1 down to Arizona Cardinals at 32. Alright, so we'll go slower. I'm going to write down their teams. Alright. This box has 10 packs, 5 cards each pack. Should be 4 autographs or memorabilia cards. It says on average, so it's not guaranteeing that, but there's your 10 packs. Alright, for anyone who's has not bought from me before, I'm going to put the base cards on the right, hits go to the left, and here we go. I'm not seeing these cards, so bear with me. There's your base card. It's got a pretty good glare there. Alright, this looks like a parallel out of 5. Nice low number there. 3 out of 5. Tony Romo, Dallas Cowboys. Here is a it's like another parallel. Brian Hartline, 440 out of 499. Going to Cleveland. Wow, not bad. Look at that for the first pack here. Marcus Mariota, sorry. Tennessee Titans, number 548 out of 799. Nice looking card. There's a nice looking card there, guys. Nice number. Tennessee Titans. And this is just a promotion. You can scan it and go online, and that's not for anything. That's just so not bad for the first pack, huh? Not bad at all. Base card, base card. That's the base card. Last one is the parallel. That is just the base card. Here's another hit here. Rookie card. Nate Orchard. Cleveland Browns. 99 out of 999. That's rookie card. Another hit for Cleveland. Here's another hit for Cleveland. Johnny Manziel Stars. Nice looking card. They have 3 hits for Cleveland. There's a Deion Sanders card. Dallas Cowboys, 23 out of 99. Nice insert there. Here's a Dan Marino Legends. No number on this one. Base card. Here's the rookie card, Devontae Parker, Miami Dolphins, a rookie gold team. No serial number on this card. Another hit for Miami. And here's a Derek Carr Stars hit for Oakland. No serial number on that one. Here's another rookie card for Oakland, Clive Walford, number to 999. And it looks like a nice hit for Washington. Matt Jones, 27 out of 99, rookie card, Washington Redskins. That was a hit for Baltimore. Elvis Dumerville, just a parallel, 15 out of 99. Here's a skills card, Drew Brees, New Orleans Saints. No serial number on that. Here's a rookie card for Carolina, Shaq Thompson, numbered out of 499. Like the other rookie cards, I think were both, yeah, they're both 999. This is 499. It's a nice little lower number for Carolina. And there's Blake Bortles, Jacksonville Stars. No serial number on that one. Alright, here's the Eric Dickerson. Going to the Rams. Number 2, $9.99. Oh, this looks like a nice hit for the Chicago Bears. Nice. Jeremy Langford. Autographed patch card's got to be a low number. No, it's a $7.99. I thought with the multicolored patch it would be a little lower number, but is that a $7.99? Nice looking card though. There's our autograph. So we should get one more, either patch or autograph. Hopefully get one more here. Here's the Stars. Alfred Morris, Washington Redskins, 184 out of 199. That's a low number. There's another hit for Oakland. Here's our 4th autograph here. Clive Walford. Oakland Raiders, rookie card, 17 out of 50. So nice low number there. Nice autograph card. That's 3 hits for Oakland there. Nice. And here's our last pack. We did get all 4 that they said, so maybe we'll get lucky and get something here. There's another rookie card. Cincinnati Bengals. Cedric. Tough time even reading it on the card. Cedric Agbui. That's numbered on a $9.99 for Cincinnati. And then another hit for Oakland. Legends. Marcus Allen. Oakland Raiders. Alright guys, that's it. I appreciate you getting in the break. I will be getting some new stuff out next week. So take a look. And if you're buying on eBay, please give me positive feedback. And if you're buying on eBay and you want to save a little bit, you can buy on my website. Prices are a little cheaper. So that's it guys. Thanks. I appreciate it. If you want to follow me on Twitter, it's at NMB Box Breaks. Thanks guys.